If you are searching some make money online strategy that is really awesome and works worldwide, and this can really help you make some good money online, and this is completely unsaturated and not many people are doing this stuff, then keep watching this video till the end. But before we jump into the content, just smash the like button and the subscribe button so that we may get recommended to more people who are interested in making money online, as well as we can help them out, as well as we can provide you notifications every time we come up with this type of awesome videos just for you.
To work on this strategy, you just need to go to Fiverr and click on this affiliates button. Okay, so this is very important and this is the first step. Don't worry, we are not going to sell anything on Fiverr. We are not going to create any product. We are just going to promote Fiverr as an affiliate. Okay, so just click on this affiliates button. Once you click on that, you will come to this Fiverr affiliate page. Okay, now the first thing you need to do is come here and you just need to click on this join now button. Okay, once you just join on this button, after that you can start making money online with Fiverr. Okay, so just click on this join button. Once you have clicked on this join button, you will see all this stuff. You just need to select all this stuff and create your account, provide your name, last name, email address, country, and etc. All the things you just need to provide all the information so that you can get signed up for the Fiverr affiliate program, and so that you can start making money from that Fiverr affiliate program. Okay, so once you have completed all this stuff, you just need to go to this awesome. Okay, so you just need to log into your Fiverr affiliate program, and then you just need to click on this marketing tools. Okay, once you have clicked on this marketing tools, you just need to click on all marketing tools, and then you can see that you can find all these different people who are providing different type of services. And if you just promote your affiliate link from over here, then there is a great chance that you can get affiliate commission if someone clicks on this links and purchases a particular service from Fiverr. Okay, I am going to show you how you can promote this absolutely for free without any problem. Okay, and this is the easiest thing which all of you can do, does not require any skill. Okay, so this is going to be really interesting. Just keep watching this video till the end, because if you are going to skip the video, then you are not going to make any money, and that is not something which I want to happen to you. Okay, so I want to promote a service which is related to logo design. Okay, so I'm just gonna search for over here and just click on this logo design, and I'm gonna click on show creatives. Okay, once I have done this, so you can see these are all the things which you can do. Okay, so once you have done it over here, now you just need to click on this copy click URL. Okay, so once you have copied the URL, now you just need to do something. Okay, just click on first shorten the URL, and then just click on copy click URL. So now you have got the Fiverr's affiliate link. If someone clicks on this link and purchases a logo design service, then you are gonna get a commission for that. That is something which is really awesome, and this is something which you can do. You don't need to provide any service yourself. You just need to refer people to this service, and if they purchase the service, you are gonna receive a commission, and that's the sweetest thing in the world. Now let me show you the free strategy, the awesome strategy which you can utilize to do this stuff. And literally people are searching these services and they are really interested in it. Okay, so you can just go to Twitter. Okay, I just went to Twitter and typed in that I want a logo design, and you can see all these people are tweeting over here that damn, I need a logo designs, I want a sugar daddy, I need to write an essay for me. So what you can do is that you can press on this reply button, and you can just write something like, yes, this is a place where I get logos designed for me. If you want a good logo, do check it out. Okay, all you need to do is write this stuff and just provide your Fiverr affiliate link over here, and just click on this reply button. Okay, So you can see in this way you can just, there are so many people who just want this type of logos. Okay, so you can see this one. See, I want a Demon Slayer character logo design patterns for my favorite sports club. So you can just come over here and you can just type it down that this is where I got my logo designed. You will also get, you can also get it done for you yourself. If interested, do check it here. Okay, and then you just need to provide your affiliate link, and then you just need to click on this reply button. Okay, so once you have clicked on this reply button, your affiliate link is out, and if people click on this affiliate link, go to Fiverr, purchase anything, you are going to receive a great commission out of it. And this is something which is really awesome, and this can make you some good amount of money without doing much of the work, without developing any of your own skills. This is the easiest thing to do. This is just copy and paste. Not many people are doing this stuff, and that's the reason why they are not making money online. You could be the one who could jump on this strategy, start earning some good income online, because it is really important to take action. Many of the people are never gonna take action on this type of strategies, and that's the reason why they are not at all making any money. But if you don't take action on the strategies, then what is going to happen is that you are never gonna earn a single dime online. But these are the real working strategies which many of the YouTubers are not gonna teach you. They are just gonna utilize the strategies for themselves and make all the money. But you can be the one who could be the one who would be pressing the like button on this video, so that we can share this awesome strategies with many people, and so that they can make some good money online. You are probably going to make money online, but don't be selfish. Just be good and just provide this opportunity to others. Also, just by pressing the like button and the share button, you are also going to share the strategies with others who are really going to make some good money online. And that would be the best thing, that we as a community make money online. All of us make money online, and not just single person makes all the money. In this way, you will be doing some good social work, providing someone an opportunity to make money online, as well as pressing the like button of the video. You will really feel good for that, and you will get 100 years of good luck if you press the like button and the subscribe button and the bell icon, so that I will notify you every time I come up with this type of awesome videos just for you people. See you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.